Hello everyone, welcome to Gruhini's world. Today I am going to show you Ridgegourd curry or Turai, also known as Beerakaya, in a very tasty and different way. This is my all-time favorite vegetarian dish which my mom used to make. Do try this recipe and I am pretty sure you would love this. So let's get started. Friends, you can see the creamy texture of the curry without using any cream. The milk we used here gives a fantastic taste that would make this a must-try recipe. This curry goes pretty well with both rice and roti. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. Thank you. Bye.